Good morning everyone. So I'm back here today for a driver in an Aston Martin DB11. Caught on the phone on birdcage walk. It was sat-nav and he was gesturing on the screen, so we'll see what his excuse in court is and why he's defending that. You're not allowed to do that, and I think the case is fairly clear. I did think he was very dismissive and arrogant at the time, but maybe I just misread his gesture as pointing to the traffic rather than dismissively telling me to go away. We'll see. My guess is he's either heading for disqualification or he genuinely thinks he can defend this, or thirdly he is hoping that I won't turn up and that will be case dismissed because the witness hasn't turned up. Fat chance of that in my case usually. I caught 4 drivers on their phones on the way here. They were very dismissive. 3 of them were pointing me to ride on the left hand side of the road, which I wasn't very impressed with. Cyclists can ride in any part of their lane, including if there's a cycle lane. So we'll see about all that. I'll chat to you again when I'm out of court. Ciao. It is good morning. Good morning everyone. So I'm out of court. Once again the driver chose to plead guilty and I wasn't called, so there was no trial. He was just sentenced with 6 points and some amount of fine and I presume costs and victim surcharge. I don't know the amount. I'll try to find out and we'll update you in future when I discover it. It was quite nice. The magistrates called me in to thank me. I mean, it's not like I have any choice. If you want your allegation to be dealt with, you have to tick the box that says willing to go to court. And then in theory you can, if you don't turn up as court as a witness, in theory you can be arrested and brought before the court as a witness. So I mean, it's not like I have any choice about coming here. Although I do wonder whether they would do that for just a plain ordinary motoring offence. I guess they probably only do that sort of thing for witnesses who don't turn up for more serious things like robbery and assault and domestic violence type stuff. Anyway, I hope you have a good day. Thanks a lot and bye bye. I should probably catch that one. I saw the phone. Maserati, Vantage, Aston Martin. Engine is running, so we'll go past. Can't really avoid it when you see a so obvious one.